Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is my portfolio presentation. Garlic and red bottom. Once upon a time there was a happy family with father, mother, and their daughter. Their daughter was so beautiful and had a keen heart with name Bawang Putih. But someday her mother is so sick, and after that she was passed away. Her father to be widow and he was finally married again with widow that also had own daughter with name Bawang Merah. Bawang Putih's father always go far away from his family, and when he is in the home, the stepmother and stepfamily always keen and good for Bawang Putih. But when her father was go again, they check their behavior to Bawang Putih. Bawang Putih as a helper in her home, and the father finally passed away, so her stepmother and stepsister is like to ask Bawang Putih to do many things like cooking, washing, and many jobs, and they only relax and lazy. And someday, when after Bawang Putih washing her stepmother and her sister clothes, she back to her home, and she is so shocked when she sees wall of Bawang Merah washed away in the river. Her stepmother and Bawang Merah asked Bawang Putih to go back to the river and bring her soul to her again. Bawang Putih go back to the river, and she shed the swell, and she saw hot in the shade of river, and si Bawang Putih said that she was such the soul, and finally grandma gave her soul and one Bawang Putih stay in her home for on weeks. Bawang Putih agree, and Bawang Putih is so diligent and always help grandma to doing many things. The grandma like her and give her a squash, and Bawang Putih was asked to pick out between two skulls, and she was picked little squash. And finally, she going back to her home and left to chat the squash, and she is shocked with saw in the squash gold and also diamond and jewelry. Her stepmother and Bawang Merah saw it, and they also envious and want it too. Finally, her stepmother asked her daughter go to the river again and acting to find soul again. And she met the grandma. The grandma asked Bawang Merah stay in her hut for on weeks. It was different from Bawang Putih. That diligent Bawang Merah was so lazy. And when grandma gave her two squares, Bawang Merah picked the big squares without say thank you. When she is in her home, she and her mother lock the door because they scary with Bawang Putih that take her part. When they all cut the squares is not the diamond and gold. It is dangerous animal like snake, scorpions, and other dangerous animal. The dangerous animal beats them and finally they was dead. So that is story about bawang merah and bawang putih. Hope you get new information and thank you. This is my portfolio presentation. My troubles in vocabulary. 2. How to determine grammar. 3. How to determine and suitable to be. 4. How to connect word into a solid sentence. 5. How to write the sentence. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.